Hello and welcome to week 7 of EDT 520. This week we will start into the teaching and learning unit, which is over here in the weekly outlines. And the essential questions for this unit are how might we use technology to enhance real-world collaborative learner-centered education, and how might we use the latest research, personal experiences, and a professional network to collaborate and model a growth mindset. So inside this unit, you can launch week 7, and then you can also launch weeks 8 and 9 I have put together. There are a few week 7 readings that are not available online, so I have put links to them here. But when you open up the week 7, just a reminder that we will be having an optional session on using Twitter, and that will be to get you ready for an upcoming assignment in the class. So that's this Thursday from March 2nd from 4 to 5. I don't know that we'll go a whole hour. It may be more about 45 minutes. And prior to joining that, just make sure you've completed steps 1 through 4 from these instructions. So for this, we're going to start to think about taking some of what we have as foundation and how are we now going to design learning experiences that really harness the power of these tools to get at things like the 4 C's. How do we get creativity, collaboration, critical thinking in our students? So for this, there's some background reading, and then what I'm asking you to do is to take a look at where some of these strategies are in place to start to picture what it looks like in classrooms. And then I'm also asking you to find one other school that's using inquiry or design thinking or learner-centered practices. So that we can start to, sometimes with these kind of shifts, it's hard to think about what it might look like. So that's to help us with that. And this week for the learning evidence, what I'd like you to go back and do is look at least 2 videos from weeks 5 and 6 from the Unpacking Digital Citizenship, and then leave a comment for someone in the class. You can either do it on that document, or you can do the plus sign on the stream so that they know you commented. And then this week is a reflective journal is your main assignment. What I've also done is I've given you a look ahead at the learning evidence that's coming up in the next 2 weeks so that you can begin to think about it, because that Twitter chat and reflection you'll need to get a start on now, and you may want to get a start on the learner inquiry plan. You'll remember that's a bigger portion of your grade than some of the weekly assignments. So instructions for the journal are here. You'll do that in Google Doc. You're welcome to do it on your blog if you would prefer. Just paste that link into the Google Doc that gets created by the assignment. And then to start thinking about joining a Twitter chat, there's information here. So like I said, you may want to look ahead at weeks 8 and 9, just so you can get a handle on kind of where are we going with those next steps for the plan for the learner inquiry project, and then the project itself, and the also the Twitter chats. So good luck with the work ahead, and I look forward to seeing many of you for the Adobe Connect session on Thursday. Thanks.